We just had a lecture in the lecture theatre about the sustainability goals from Dr. Swati, and it was very fun as it was a unique perspective in a way we don't really get taught like that very often. The biggest focus from the school's perspective was that we were taking notes and practicing a new template of note-taking.
Like, I'll know how to take notes in uni because you need to know how to revise stuff.
So taking good notes allows you to easily revise, easily prep, and easily just see what you learned that day. It was a very interesting experience, just being able to see what uni students see in the lecture theatre. I feel like just coming here because of our school to experience uni for a year is really just helping us being able to figure out what we want to do in the future.